Drones go places no human can reach.
Copy, I see it. What the hell is that? It's on two legs. The heat signature's huge. It's clearing logs like nothing.
And sometimes they catch things somebody really wishes stayed buried.
Oh my God.
From dogs chasing mermaids back into the crashing waves on a quiet beach, to a goblin-like creature crawling out of a forest stream and looking straight into a hiker's camera. These are the creatures drones captured that nobody was supposed to see. And we're uncovering every single one. Waves crashing violently against the shore when a man spotted two figures struggling in the surf and sent his drone up, thinking someone was drowning. What the footage showed was nothing human. Two dark creatures standing upright in the breaking waves, built like something between a man and whatever lives in the deepest part of the ocean. Arms and legs, but hands that ended in webbed clawed fins. Bodies covered in dark scaled skin. Jagged fins running down their backs, and faces pushed forward into wide piranha like jaws full of teeth. Nobody on the beach moved and interfered. They were fighting each other with everything they had, slashing and grappling as the waves swallowed them whole. So what were they really? And if this was just a territorial dispute, how long till us humans get involved too? Look at this amazing creature no one can identify. The shape moving below had 4 legs and the muscular frame of a dark brown horse, but everything above the saddle was wrong. A human upper body grew straight out of the horse's spine, broad shoulders, 2 arms, and a head crowned with long black hair that whipped through the air with every stride. Gripped tightly in its fist was a thick wooden staff, and it wasn't just carrying it. One brutal swing sent a full-grown leopard flying like a rag doll across the open dirt. The big cat charged back twice. Both times it got launched even harder. This thing wasn't surviving. It was dominating. So what is it? And why was it hiding somewhere humans aren't cleared to go? A hiker filming near a rocky stream caught something that shouldn't exist. A shadow darted between the trees. Then it stepped into frame. A small, slender figure with skin so dark it almost vanished against the dirt. Long, thin limbs, a sharp, angular face, and features stretched into something between a child and a creature pulled straight out of folklore. Locals would later call it a goblin. It moved in fast, jerky bursts, hopping over wet stones, scurrying low across the ground, climbing rocks like it weighed nothing. Then it stopped, turned its head, and looked directly at the camera. For 2 full seconds, it just stared. Then it bolted into the trees and was gone. The hiker never went back. So what was really watching him from those woods? Drone footage taken over a remote sandbar showed something that took several seconds to fully register. A pure white Pegasus stood completely still in the shallow water, wings folded tight against its body. Yes, wings. And it wasn't alone. 5 mermaid-like creatures surrounded it on every side. Dark hair clinging to pale skin, long steel blue tails dragging slow across the wet sand as they closed the circle tighter and tighter. The Pegasus didn't panic, didn't even flinch, almost like it knew them. The creatures weren't attacking either, just circling, slowly, deliberately, like something ancient was being performed right there in front of the lens. Is this a ritual or a hunt? And why wasn't the Pegasus afraid of any of them? A police drone running a night surveillance sweep deep in the forest picked up a glowing white thermal shape moving between the trees. The operator barely glanced at it, logged it as a deer. Then something made him look again. It wasn't on 4 legs. It was standing fully upright on 2. Tall, skeletal, towering against the dark tree line like a shadow that didn't belong in any wildlife report. Antler-like spikes branched out from the top of its skull. Its limbs stretched unnaturally long in the thermal feed, almost dripping down its frame. The moment the drone shifted position, it reacted, dropped instantly onto all 4s, and tore through the forest at a speed that made the operator go completely silent on the radio. That thing moved like something other, stranger than a deer, stranger than a man. So what exactly did that drone catch out there in the dark? 1 hour into filming the coastline, the drone operator froze, a shape floating motionless on the surface of the water. He pushed the drone closer. As it descended, the shape sharpened into a figure. Back turned to the camera. Upper body unmistakably human, just sitting there on the open ocean like it was waiting for something. Then it turned, slowly, until it was facing the lens dead on, close enough to make out the expression on its face. And below the waist, nothing human at all. A long, thin tail caught the light beneath the surface, slicing through the water as it shifted. The second the drone got too close, it dove. The ocean swallowed it whole. Clips like this one have surfaced for years, especially around the Israeli coastal town of Kiryat Yam, where sightings have been reported since 2009. Animal Planet even built 2 specials around this footage, pulling in over 3.6 million viewers. NOAA officially denied any evidence of aquatic humanoids exists. But if that's true, then what exactly was staring back at that camera? Scotland's Loch Ness was about to give up a secret the world has been chasing for centuries. Richard Maver, 54, sent his drone up just to film his group resting on the south shore. A routine shot. He posted the clip and moved on. Then, a viewer told him to rewind it. What appeared just beneath the rippling water made his blood run cold. A long, thin shape gliding silently through the lake. Twice the length of his 14-foot canoe, slowly approaching the group from below. The waters were clear that day. The lake was calm, and the shape bore an unmistakable resemblance to a plesiosaur, the prehistoric sea creature long linked to the Nessie legend. Reports of a monster in this exact lake go back to the 6th century. Maver calls himself the most skeptical man you'll ever meet, but after watching it back, even he admitted something strange was down there. So after 1,500 years of stories, did a drone finally catch the truth? Watch this video closely, because the moment it leaked online, it sent shockwaves across Poland and lit up every news outlet in the country. The video shows a team of men in full white hazmat suits standing waist deep in the water, dragging something heavy and unnatural toward the shore. Their movements were slow, careful. As they hauled it onto a stretcher, the camera caught it. A long, pale body, a human-shaped torso, and a thick, scaled tail that flopped lifelessly. Over the edge, a real mermaid, pulled from the water in broad daylight. And here's where it gets stranger. Warsaw's deputy mayor, Jarosław Juiwak, came forward and publicly confirmed it was a mermaid. He claimed this was already the second incident. The first time, a group of these same creatures had fallen into the Warsaw sewer system and had to be rescued by city workers. Millions believed it. So what was really pulled from those waters, and why did a government official back the story? The dogs saw them first, and the dogs went insane. A group of gray humanoid creatures came crawling out of the crashing surf, dragging long shark-like tails behind them across the wet sand. Smooth, dark skin, slender limbs, half-human bodies clearly built for the deep ocean, now pulling themselves onto land in broad daylight. But the moment they reached the shore, a pack of domestic dogs charged at them with everything they had, barking, snapping, lunging straight at their tails and limbs without fear. The creatures tried to push forward. The dogs pushed back even harder. And here's where it gets stranger. The creatures retreated, all of them, slipping back into the violent waves one by one until the ocean swallowed them whole. So, what were these things really? And why did the dogs see them as a threat the second they hit the sand? Observe this shot, as what was caught haunting a Portuguese wasteland has had the world arguing for years. The clip first surfaced online in August 2016, when a group of explorers filming the open sand spotted something that should not have been there. A tall, brownish humanoid figure walking upright on 2 legs across the empty desert. Long, thin arms dangling lifelessly at its sides. A slender body moving with a slow, almost mechanical rhythm. The camera slowly zooms in, and the closer it gets, the stranger it looks. The creature seems to glance toward the lens for a split second before the camera pulls back. And here's where it gets stranger. Even from a distance, the figure stood taller than the trees lining the desert, towering, stretched, walking like it owned the place. Some viewers swear it was the legendary chupacabra. Others insist it was an Egyptian mummy come back to life. A few believe it was an alien that crash-landed and got lost. So what was really out there? And how did something this tall go unnoticed for so long? This is the moment a massive sea serpent rose from the deep, and the camera caught every second of it. Some are calling it a real-life kraken. The water was still, until it wasn't. A huge dark shape pushed up from below, churning the surface into chaos. Long, thick tentacles unfolded across the open sea. A bulbous head broke through with glowing reflective eyes locked toward the shore. The thing was hundreds of feet long. It let out a deep echoing roar that rattled the camera in the operator's hands. Then, one tentacle lashed out, sending water exploding into the sky. And just like that, it sank back into the abyss. So what was really down there? Megalodon sightings are rare, but this footage captures the exact moment a deep sea monster sets its sights on a moving freighter. Some viewers are calling it a leviathan. The waters were dark, the storm was rolling in. And then a shadow appeared beneath the waves, longer than the ship itself, gliding silently below the surface. The crew had no idea what was tracking them. Then it broke through. A gargantuan head exploded out of the water, rows of jagged teeth snapping in the open air. The creature looked like a mountain of flesh and scales. It lunged at the side of the ship with full force, sending water flying in every direction. The vessel rocked violently, and then it was gone. So what was really hunting that ship in the storm? Sleeping Giant confirmed. A drone just flew over this mountain and realized we've been looking at a literal titan for centuries. The drone glides slow across the cliffs. At first it looks like ordinary terrain. Then the angle shifts, and the shape of a giant human body emerges from the rocks. A forehead, a nose, a chin tilted up toward the sky, a wide chest rising from the earth, long legs stretched out for miles across the landscape, covered in centuries of moss and thick green growth, like it had been lying there since the beginning of time. In some versions of the clip captured, the giant seems to take a slow breath. Tiny shifts in the rocks, almost like the mountain itself is alive. So what was really sleeping under that ground? Bigfoot footage, or what millions believe to be the real thing, was caught by a drone accidentally hovering over a quiet Midwestern park. What the drone showed was nothing human. A tall black furred figure pushing out of a small patch of trees and breaking into a fast run across the open grass. Arms swinging low. Shoulders too wide for any man. Its stride stretched impossibly long, eating ground faster than any runner could manage. Within seconds, it slipped into the next patch of woods like it knew exactly where it was going. The clip went viral within days. Some swear it's the clearest Bigfoot sighting ever caught from the sky. Others insist it's something far stranger. What was really running through those trees that day? The footage you're about to see was scrubbed from the internet within hours of going viral. The leaked clip shows a white dragon lying inside a secret Chinese research facility. A long, pale body stretched out across the floor of an enclosed lab, bone white from head to tail. A head shaped exactly like the dragons of ancient Eastern legend, long and serpentine. Surrounding it on every side, a team of people in full protective gear, moving slowly, carefully, like they were handling something that should not exist. The clip exploded across the internet within days, racking up millions of views and sparking countless theories. Some called it mystical, others called it leaked from a top-secret Chinese laboratory, and many swore it was finally proof dragons have been real all along, captured and hidden away from the public. So what was really being kept inside that lab? Something has been stalking walkers in this British woodland for almost 40 years. A drone just proved it's real. The figure appeared deep in the woods of Canal Chase, the same forest where people have been reporting sightings since the 1980s. What the drone showed was nothing normal. A small girl standing alone among the trees. At first glance, she looks like an ordinary child lost in the woods. The kind of sight that makes hikers stop and worry. Then they see her eyes, pitch black, hollow, sunken into her face like the life had been drained out of them. And then she vanishes. Locals believe she's the spirit of a child who died during a deadly diphtheria outbreak in the 1800s, a disease that left victims with sunken, darkened eyes. Ghost hunters who studied the clip called it terrifying. And why is she still showing up after almost 200 years? The deep-sea titan rose out of the ocean. Massive, thick tentacles shot hundreds of feet into the air. Bioluminescent spots glowing through the mist. Jagged scales catching the light. They dwarfed the ships nearby. They dwarfed the coastline. The creature lashed out, sending waves crashing in every direction. A deep, mechanical roar vibrated through the audio. Some swear it's the legendary Titan ancient sailors warned about. So what was really rising out of that water? In broad daylight, a pale-skinned alien was filmed gliding silently through a quiet suburban canal. What the clip showed was something far beyond human. A tall, slender body drifting forward, upper torso and head above the water. Porcelain smooth skin from head to chest. Bald head, bare body. A blank mask like face frozen in a neutral expression, staring straight ahead. The body simply glided forward, locked in perfect stillness. The water around it stayed flat as glass. Pure silence, pure motion. The reflection beneath mirrored every detail perfectly. So what was really drifting through that canal? Hidden inside the dense forests of Indiana, Pennsylvania, a drone just captured the orange-colored massive Sasquatch walking from one side of the trees to the other. What the drone revealed was something straight out of legend. A towering figure pushing through the layers of green leaves. Thick orange fur covering its entire body, glowing against the dark forest shadows. Broad shoulders sweeping branches aside as it moved. A massive frame far larger than any man could carry. Long arms swinging slowly with every step. The forest around it stayed silent. The drone hovered above, and the creature kept walking, deeper into the trees, like it knew exactly where it was going. Some viewers swear this is the real proof people have been chasing for decades. So what was really moving through those Pennsylvania woods? Drone footage over an English meadow at dusk caught something the operator couldn't explain. Tiny glowing figures hovered above the wildflowers, no bigger than a little baby. Translucent wings blurred into rings of light, pointed ears, sharp angular faces. They darted between the tall grass in quick, deliberate bursts. The drone moved closer, and every single one froze mid-air. Heads turned, all at once, locked directly onto the lens. Then in a blink, the swarm scattered into the trees. Cornish folklore has spoken of pixies for over 1,000 years. So what was really glowing in that meadow? The drone captured what nobody was supposed to see. Now you've seen it too. Drop your theories in the comments, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more.